Chilliz in a real sense is a low-positioned coin with the ticker CHZ that explicitly has a sort of present worth of $0.081957 and a market capitalization of $632,303,213, which really is very huge. Digital currencies by and large have in every way that really matters long past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in a sort of significant manner. These days, it's a resource class that generally is considerably directed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate in spite of mainstream thinking. Some truly huge venture banks in any event, in every practical sense, procure Chilliz and really other digital forms of money all at once to especially safeguard their resources under administration against a jogging expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Presently, now is the right time to explicitly uncover our short, mid, and extremely long-haul expectation of the improvements on the CHZ market that really depend on the readings of our in every practical sense extraordinary crypto unpredictability record that assists us with checking the market opinion and in a real sense expect the bearing, wherein the market plans to generally go in a significant manner. At this point, the cost of Chilliz most certainly is $0.081957, while the coin right now explicitly ends up at 67th spot in the really by and large in every practical sense, positioning in an unobtrusive way. The said genuinely positioning certainly is assessed based on the resource's fundamentally present value that basically is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that truly is applied all through every single monetary market, which is very huge. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients in a real sense get the most significant information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios incredibly. It's likewise vital to basically consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. On December 16, the cost of Chilliz certainly was at $0.082130 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change generally added up to 1.56% in a very enormous manner. 7 days prior, on December 10, CHZ was esteemed at $0.090637, which for the most part intends that from that point forward, the cost fundamentally has generally vacillated by 0% in every practical sense, further appearance how these days, it's a resource class that sort of is considerably managed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate in a sort of significant manner. A month prior, on November 17, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.075496. Subsequently, the coin has taken an 8.56% action to arrive at its really present standings, which generally is genuinely critical. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Chilliz isn't the main variable that we consider while making the cost expectation in a very huge manner. It's likewise essential to especially keep a kind of sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to generally have a very clear perspective on where the market for the most part is going in a fundamentally significant manner. The examination of market capitalization conveys really equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors amazingly. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology for the most part is utilized to in a real sense decide the very by and large position and fame of computerized resources and stocks. For example, certainly further appearance how as a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology generally is utilized to decide the all things considered by and large position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in a sort of significant way for the most part. Changes in market capitalization by and large certain or especially negative fundamentally are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could in a real sense head, as well as the resource's sort of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both extremely short and genuinely long-haul points of view, which in every way that really matters is very huge. This in every way that really matters, specific in every way that really matters, metric is likewise used to check the strength of Chilliz corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. To for the most part decide the truly current market capitalization of CHZ, we sort of duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will essentially be by and large made sense of later by the fundamentally present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz especially remains at $632,303,213, which shapes the reason for extremely present especially positioning was referenced before, but in large further appearance, these days, it's a resource class that generally is significantly managed and, surprisingly, took in as lawful delicate in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on December 16, CHZ had a market capitalization of $633,643,332. Keep going week, on December 10, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to generally was recorded at $693,835,500, showing a month prior, in November 17, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.075496. Subsequently, the coin has taken a 8.56% action to in every practical sense arrive at its truly present standings. A month prior, on November 17, the market worth of Chilliz for the most part was surveyed to basically be $571,134,662 and in every way that really matters, enormous way. Complete stockpile considers the quantity of coins that certainly have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining in an unpretentious way. These digital currencies can be utilized either for most certainly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, which really is genuinely huge. This measurement likewise considers the coins that certainly have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which for the most part is applied to control the expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, the genuinely all-out supply of Chilliz certainly is laid out at 888 CHZ. In conclusion, the coursing supply fundamentally is utilized to generally work out the market capitalization and generally evaluate the coins ongoing remaining in the positions, or so they basically thought. It means the in every practical sense, in general measure of CHZ, that generally is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly basically put unavailable for general use out of the blue. Sort of additional appearance how a month prior, on November 17, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.075496. Consequently, the coin really has taken a 8.56% action to in a real sense arrive at its genuinely present standings, which sort of is very critical. It's by and large really accepted that digital currencies that especially have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million truly are the most reasonable for sort of long-haul venture, since they sort of are generally liable to in every practical sense appreciate in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in a significant manner. At this crossroads, Chilliz especially has a flowing inventory of 7,715,073,480 coins, which for the most part shows that in any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Chilliz isn't the main certainly factor